This quick guide will teach you how to add PayPal payments to your Squarespace website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless way for your customers to pay you directly through PayPal, making transactions smooth and efficient. So let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Squarespace home menu. Once you're there, look for the Commerce section. Depending on your website's configuration, you may see this as Commerce or perhaps as a sub option under Settings. Either way, your goal is to find and click on Payments. This is where you'll manage all aspects of how your site handles transactions. It's important to note that having a streamlined payment process can significantly impact your customer's experience. So this step is crucial. Now that you're in the payment section, you'll see various payment options available for integration. Here, you'll want to select PayPal. To do this, simply click on Connect PayPal. Squarespace makes it easy by providing a clear button for you to click, which is designed to initiate the connection process. It's a straightforward step, but if you ever run into any issues, make sure your browser's pop-up blocker is disabled, as this could interfere with the next part. Once you've clicked Connect PayPal, a pop-up window will appear. This window is where you'll enter your PayPal credentials to link your account with Squarespace. It's important to have a PayPal business account ready because personal accounts aren't supported for this integration. If you don't have a business account yet, you might want to set that up beforehand. Enter your email and password associated with your PayPal business account. Keep your login information secure and make sure you're entering the correct credentials to avoid unnecessary delays. After logging in, follow any additional prompts from PayPal to complete the integration. This could include confirming your account settings or agreeing to terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to double check these details to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once you've completed these steps, your PayPal account will be successfully connected to your Squarespace site. With PayPal now integrated, your customers will have the option to pay using PayPal at checkout. This is a popular choice for many users because of its security and ease of use. Plus, adding PayPal can often lead to increased sales because it provides a trusted and familiar payment method for buyers. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to add PayPal payments to your Squarespace website. By following these steps, you've not only enhanced your site's functionality, but also improved the payment experience for your customers. If you ever need to make adjustments, you can revisit the payments section in your Squarespace settings to manage your payment options. Thanks for watching and happy selling.